Hello everyone, Dayu here again. So I'll be making a English tutorial video. About English Tagalog. This is especially for those who are living or residing abroad, who are interested learning Tagalog language in the Philippines. All right. But before I proceed, let me give you a food for thought. All right. So according to Proverbs 9:10, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, and knowledge of the Holy One is understanding. All right. So let's go and proceed. All right. So here I have the first one. Right. So let's start. All right. Number one, we have hello. Hello. So hello, we say it kumusta. All right. In Tagalog, it is kumusta. So this sounds like Spanish. All right. In Spanish, it's, if I got it correctly, it's como estas. All right. Correct me if I'm wrong. So that's gonna be como estas, or in Tagalog, it's como kumusta. Others say it's musta. All right. Musta, short for kumusta. All right. Especially when you are running out of time. So you just want to say musta. It's like a slang, musta. Right. Number two, we have good morning. All right. Good morning. We say it magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. Good morning. Magandang umaga. All right. Number three, we have good afternoon. Good afternoon is magandang hapon. All right. Note here that the word good is maganda. So its equivalent is maganda, good, maganda. Morning is umaga, afternoon is hapon. Right? Number four, we have good evening. Good evening is magandang gabi. Magandang gabi. Number five, how are you? Kumusta ka? Alright, kumusta ka? Alright. Number six, we have I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Mabuti ako. Salamat. Or you can say, ayos naman. Normally it is said as ayos naman. Okay. Next is number 7. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Ikinagagalak. Kinagagalak kitang makilala. Kinagagalak kitang makilala. Nice to meet you. Number 8. please, pakiusap,